Riley. Marner up high as well. Fakes the shot down low. In front, scores! Ryan O'Reilly. And the Leafs are on the board.
Well, there's the spark. There's the break you're looking for. It's just great execution on a cycle up top. The umbrella out high, and then Tavares kicks out. And right on the doorstep, no chance for Cole. Cole had fallen down. That opens up the lane. Watch here as he tries to come across and take away the pass really to no one. The passing lane was in that high slot. Instead, Cole went down below, and Ryan O'Reilly on the doorstep, his first playoff goal as a member of the Maple Leafs, gets them back into this game.
23rd career postseason goal.